La la la. La 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 la. Ito SpongeBob. La 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 la. Everywhere it hurts,
Kantahin mo everywhere it hurts.
everywhere it hurts, everywhere.
Ayusin mo.
Alam mo.
Chorus lang, kinakanta mo yung chorus eh.
And I need you just to la la la.
Ay, yung kanta na lang ni Kichi.
Yun ang Kichi.
That I don't understand.
Everything in this thing. It's why I feel so bad now when I know it's not my was my dear. I can understand no two can last the hand. And I'm not the only one standing on the same way.
Sabi mo, kakanta ka maayos. Kanta ka na. Why is that the look in your eyes? Dati, kanta.
Kailangan ko muna ng music.
Music ka dyan. Chorus na lang.
If you
tell me
what it was, just tell me where it had tell me. Now tell you music na ako? Dito mo ba ito? Music. Ngayon, isa pong ahas ang nahuli sa Bulacan na gumagapang sa ulo ng tao.
Isang ahas po ang gumagapang sa ulo ng baboy.
At ito po, si SpongeBob. Hindi ko alam. Isa siyang magnanakaw. Yung mahuli. Kasi ako yung matulog. Ako, hindi naman. At din lang po news natin ngayon. Kung pwede po yung lumapit, pwede pong pumunta kayo kay Karen eh. Bango na. Ganyan. Pero may katuloy pa kaming hamana. At may kakanta kaming wag mo sasabihin mula kay Dixie Cadal. Ay, mula kay Nixie Cadal. What? So, kabang